Strong ball press is a kind of equipment to press powder material into balls. Outdoor ball machine installation to do waterproof treatment. If suspension installation is used, there is a gap between the strong ball press and the bracket. In case of rain or snow, water can seep into the interior along the cracks and cause harm. Therefore, waterproof sealing measures should be taken in the installation of the strong ball press so as to prevent rain from entering the ball machine installation bracket from the spiral interface. It is also very important to choose the original bracket because the original bracket fully considered the waterproof problem, such as the inclination design to make the ball machine spin slightly higher end, even if the water in the bracket will only flow back to the column but not into the ball machine. Therefore, if the user makes their own bracket, should fully consider the waterproof factor of the strong ball press.